In a bid to curb the spread of the deadly COVID-19 virus in 2020, countries across the world shut their borders. This brought global air travel to a standstill. At risk, Singapore's well-established status as a key gateway city in the region. Air travel had to be restored. The objective was clear: to create a safe yet quarantine-free facility for travelers. Was there a way to bring travelers and locals together while keeping different risk profiles separate to minimize the risk of infection? The answer is the world's first international bubble facility where business travelers can meet without serving quarantine.
What is the concept of Connect at Changi? The world's first business exchange. It is a quarantine-free and safe travel to Singapore.
As a one-of-a-kind traveler accommodation built to effectively house its guests separately from the local population, the solution involved multiple considerations. The whole exercise involved intense discussions between the multi-ministerial task force, government agencies, and the consortium, led by Temasek Holdings with Sabana Jurong. Discussions to design new travel protocols and testing measures for this business travel exchange started in July 2020.
Normally, a facility of such size would take 3 years to complete, but we did so in 14 weeks with our architectural and engineering specialists, subcontractors, and workers.
To meet this deadline, the Sabana Jurong team decided to use a modular construction methodology.
PPVC means prefabricated, pre-finished volumetric construction. Basically, we prefabricate the steel containers and then stack it up in double story and then push it in place, where we do away without the use of heavy lifting crane like what you normally see in the construction site. So the construction methodology is pretty unique for this particular development because the units are built within the envelope constraint of the hall.
When the PPVC module arrived in Singapore, so what left for us to do is basically the connection for the horizontal services, be it pipe or cabling, from the raised floor to the individual PPVC module via the MEP services shaft.
We had to build within an existing envelope, and we are not allowed to actually remove parts of the facade or remove parts of the roof as well as hack into the floor.
The team embraced this challenge and turned it into an advantage. Workmen could lay the utilities below the platform at the same time as the PPVC was being manufactured in a factory. The air circulation system was designed to segregate the air for local visitors and foreign guests. This is further reinforced by crowd control measures in the courtyard. The entrances to the courtyard automatically restrict entry when it reaches a number of people. The Sabana Jurong team has also used clever landscaping with real plants to provide a sense of lush greenery. The Connect at Changi project tested the diverse teams of architects, engineers, and construction and project management professionals that came together to make this a reality. With borders closed, the team had to go the extra mile in a time of uncertainty and massive supply chain disruption.
We even went into procuring mattresses, divan, quilt covers. These are not our usual technical procurement things that we do, but nevertheless, I think we did well.
Creating space within a huge exhibition hall. It's something that I've never dreamt that I'll be involved, especially in Singapore. And it's something beyond my imaginations.
I believe this is going to set the standards and can become the playbook for others who want to build similar facilities like these.
The differentiator here is that you have everything in-house. You are able to prioritize among the different skill set when it comes to specific issues that need to be addressed.
These are uncertain times, but solving problems is in our DNA. We have to be adaptive, inventive, committed, and positive. We at Sabana Jurong are proud to have helped Singapore secure a post-pandemic future.